So basically the question with 6 is you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, right? And another 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and you want to pair them up so that that's like they're arranged in like height order, and you have to pair them up so like 2 can only go with 1, 2, or 3. It can't go with anyone further away. Yeah? Okay. And so this is like a standard question. So this is the one where if you practice a lot, you'd probably get this really easily. Okay. So it's called recurrence. Okay. I don't know if you learn. Remember we did induction. Have you heard of induction? So it's basically the idea of instead of solving the problem all outright, you relate it to the previous case, and you keep doing that until you got it's easy to calculate. Okay. So you let's say the let A let n sub m be the number of ways of doing it for m people. Yeah. Yeah. So for m pairs, yeah. So so the question is asking us to find n sub 10, right? So n10 is the answer. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So how do we find n10? Okay. So as with many problems, considering the extreme examples are very helpful. Okay. So what's extreme here? It's the 1, right? So the 1 can only be paired. The 1 can only be paired with 1 or 2, right? There's less possibilities. Okay. So if the 1 is paired with 1, right? How many ways are there to pair the rest of them?
It's just the 9.
So it's n9, right?
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of it. So it's n9, okay?
N8.
And if 1 is paired with 2, okay,
N8.
then this 1 can only be paired with that 2, right? Because it's got no one else, yeah?
N8.
So then the number of ways is just n8, yeah?
That's what's A1.
Yeah.
So then basically you got n10, or actually it's like n10 is equal to n9 plus n8, right? But n9 is equal to n8 plus n7, right? So in general, nm is equal to the sum of the previous 2 values, yeah? That makes sense? So if people are familiar with this is called the Fibonacci sequence, essentially, because, have you heard of Fibonacci? Because what's n1? n1, you have to pair 1 with 1, right? So it's equal to 1, yeah? What's n2? n2 is 2 because you can only pair them together or swap them, right?
And then you can derive the rest.
So then the rest you're just doing the Fibonacci. So 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, and then you go all the way up to 10, right?
Can I make a comment on this question?
Sure.
Or all of you just trying to figure out how this problem and that problem are related. So the problem that's related is find the number of ways to color a 2 by n rectangle with dominoes.
I've done that question when I did the combi quiz.
But like, try. How is that question and the other one related?
I did a combi quiz once.
Hmm.
I was 10.
Okay, does that make sense? So that if you keep going all the way up to 10, you should get 89. Yeah? Because you get like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus, you know what I mean? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. Yeah? That's the 10th. Okay.
Well, why did they start with 101? For N2 was 2 and 3.
Alright.
Okay.